Biosphere. The biosphere is the realm which includes all forms of life on Earth. Biosphere is the zone where all the other three spheres, land, water and air, meet. So when we will look around, we will see land, water and air. So the sphere where we are living is biosphere. We find life forms on the surface of the Earth's crust within a few kilometers of the lower atmosphere and even deep in the oceans. It supports between 5 to 30 million species of plants, animals and other small organisms. In biosphere, we find life few kilometers below the troposphere, lower layer atmosphere, and even in the deep oceans. In oceans or hydrosphere, life is dependent on the dissolved nutrients in water and air from the atmosphere. There is also an interaction between the living organisms and non-living organisms. Can you say how? All elements in biosphere interact with each other to create an ecosystem. An ecosystem is a system where living organisms and non-living organisms are found together, and these elements, all the elements of biosphere, they interact with each other. Living organisms such as plants and animals interact with each other and with the physical elements of the environment where they live. The living organisms like plants and animals, we already know about the food chain. In food chain, one animal is dependent upon another animal. So they create a chain of food. This is known as the food chain. Food chain is an important part of ecosystem. Interdependence of the four realms of the earth. Interdependence means depending on each other. Though each of the four spheres or realm of the earth has its own unique feature, they are dependent on one another. Each sphere, atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere, they have their own unique feature and they are dependent on one another. The atmosphere and hydrosphere cause the surface of the lithosphere to be eroded and weathered, changing its look over millions of years. Like in previous chapter also you have studied erosion of the lithosphere by the different natural agents like wind and water. So atmosphere and hydrosphere cause the surface of the lithosphere to be eroded or weathered. They also support the biosphere as they are the sources of gases such as oxygen for humans and the other members of the animals. Atmosphere also support the biosphere as oxygen which are required for the human being and the other members of the animals, carbon dioxide for plants. It is also provided by the atmosphere, and also water in the form of the rainfall. The biosphere comprising all the living organisms in turn regulate the atmosphere and affect the hydrosphere in a variety of ways, from the particle pollution to the heat pollution. In turn, biosphere also play an important role in the changing or affecting the hydrosphere. The biosphere also contains humus. Humus means the dead particles of dead plants and animals. Through plants, it breaks down the top several dozen feet of the lithosphere into the fractured rock, and by mixing with that product the soil we see around the world. These humus, through plants, erosion of lithosphere takes place. Weathering erosion process takes place. The glacier of the hydrosphere can score canyon and seabeds, moving and reshaping the portion of the lithosphere. Glacier of hydrosphere, while moving, they also cause some changes on the landforms. The organisms in biosphere develop over millions of years and learn to adapt themselves to the extreme weather condition and temperature. The organisms which are found in the extreme weather temperature, they also learn to adapt themselves. So these are the importance of different layers of the earth, and also how they are interdependent on each other.